you have to put the mouse pointer inside the path and you can drag the mouse pointer till it reaches the end. If it reaches the end, you win, or if it goes out of the path, you lose. Let me show you how to play the game. Now I am dragging the mouse pointer, dragging the mouse pointer. Oh no, I lost the game. Now dragging, reaching till the end, dragging. Reaching till the end, dragging. Yes! I win! Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Anubhav. So far, I have shown you how to make games with Scratch. And now, I am going to show you how to make a game using PowerPoint. Are you excited? So first, let's start. Now, let's make a path. So first, let's draw a path. Now, select Shape Fill. Now, I am going to choose Picture from a file. I will select this picture. Select Insert. Now, I want to make it flip horizontal and flip vertical to make it visible to you. And now again go to Insert and make a rectangle as the background. Send it to back. And now go to Shape Fill, select Picture, and I will select Picture. You can select anything. Now I will go to select this picture. Now I am going to duplicate this slide and delete this. Now I will select word art and I will select gray. I will type here you win. And drag it here. Now I am duplicating this line. And Writer, you lose. Now insert a shape at the end. I am choosing rounded rectangle. And now go to insert, select action, click on mouse over, click on hyperlink to, and click on last slide. Now select OK. And I will make it fully transparent. And now I am going to insert, select action, click on mouse over, hyperlink to next slide. Only next slide. Select OK. Now let's see how it looks like. Now I am going here. You lose. Perfect. And now here I'm going. You win. Perfect. I hope friends you like this video, so please like, comment and subscribe my channel. See you in next video, and for now bye bye.